Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Karnataka government continues construction work of Kalsa project at Kankunbhi. Goa government to raise issue before Mhadei tribunal. Gen Next alleges PI and SP of PTS are destroying crucial evidences related with training kit purchase scam, demands immediate transfer of officials. Salvador de Mundo Panchayat confused with kissing and pissing. Boards banning kissing now replaced with pissing. Panchayat feigns ignorance. Traders complain that Goa Meat Complex refuses to slaughter animals without FDA license. Complex says they are following FDA directives. And Shillong Lajong hold Sporting Club de Goa to 1-1 draw. Flaming Orange occupy bottom place at halfway stage in I-League. Now the news in detail. Despite of Mhadei Water Dispute Tribunal's order, Karnataka government has begun construction work at Kalsa project at Kankunbhi. Team of Water Resources Department visited the site on Saturday to confirm about the construction work. Tribunal in its order had asked the Karnataka government to maintain status quo till further orders. Now, Goa government has decided to raise this issue before the Mhadei Tribunal. Hearing is scheduled on 15th April.
Despite of Mhadei Water Disputes, Tribunal directives to Karnataka government not to resume work on the Mhadei Basin. For the last 15 days, work on the dam is going on secretly. Environmentalist Rajen Kerkar informed that without concerning Goa and Maharashtra, Karnataka government has resumed work at Mhadei Basin.
गेल्या आठवड्यात सुरू झाला ते आणि काम चालू आसा त्यांचे कर्नाटकाचे कॉन्क्रीटचे ब्लॉक्स आसा जे हेका वापरताले ते कालव्या खातीर तेचे बांदकाम सुरू केल्ले आसा ट्रायब्युनल ऑर्डर जे आसा ते ट्रायब्युनल ऑर्डरीन तांकां स्टेटस को मेंटेन करपाक सांगलालो म्हणजे तेंच्यांनी हे सगळे जे आसा ते नियम न पाळटा काम जे आसा ते सुरू केल्ले आसा.
Prudent contacted Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni over the issue. He said he will study the report of Water Resources Department who visited the site. After that, he will inform to Mhadei Water Disputes Tribunal about the violations.
पोवचे पडटले काम खंय चालू आसा ते म्हादय बेजिनान जर चालू आसा लागता पोवचे पडटले खंय आसा ते
आणि मागीर ट्रायब्युनलाक सांगपाक
मागीर एक्शन घेवची पडटा.
Shrikant Patil, the superintending engineer of Water Resources Department, informed that they visited the site to ascertain what type of work is going on. Both Maharashtra and Karnataka governments were asked to maintain status quo in the Mhadei matter till further orders by the tribunal. Matter will come up for hearing on 15th April. Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
NGO Gen Next has alleged that PI and SP of Police Training School are destroying crucial evidences related with the training kit purchase scam. President of Gen Next, Durgadas Kamath, has demanded immediate transfer of PI and SP of PTS as an integral inquiry is going on. Gen Next and other social activists are demanding transfer of DYSP Serafin Dias for manhandling the women security personnel during their agitation on Thursday.
President of Gen Next Durgadas Kamath on Saturday urged DG of Goa Police to direct investigating officer to immediately visit police training school and seize the evidences. Recently, Durgadas Kamath in a letter to the DGP had alleged multi-lakh scam in the purchase of training kits. Durgadas Kamath has demanded transfer of PI and SP of PTS, alleging that evidences are being set on fire by PI and SP of PTS.
Enquiry officer, the DIG should have visited the PTS for the enquiry. But before that only they are trying to destroy the evidence. On 25th March, all the records and samples of the kit articles kept in principal's office were destroyed by fire. This is a serious charge which we are making. We demand that immediately the SP and the PI of the PTS should be immediately transferred from there.
Prudent contacted SP of PTS Atmaram Deshpande, but he refused to comment over this allegation. Meanwhile, executive member of Gen Next Anita Fernandez and activist advocate Ajit Singh Rane have also demanded transfer of DYSP Seraphin Dice for manhandling the women agitators on Wednesday at Azad Maidan.
That some of the male police constables were manhandling the women who were on strike. Where is the woman today? Why is the male manhandling the woman is a very, very sad story of the state of Goa.
पोलीस जर अशा पद्धतीचे जर दादागिरी करूंक लागली जाल्यार पोलीस हे जनतेक लॉ अँड ऑर्डर हातान घेवपाक आणि अनार्की अँड कॅओस निर्माण करच्यासाठी आसा पळय ते ताका प्रवृत्त करता ह्या गजालीचो ती आमी तीव्र दखल करता आणि त्याचो निषेध जावचो ताका ताबडतोब ताका सस्पेंड करचो आणि ताका ट्रान्सफर करचो ह्यो आमची मागणी आमी घेवन
Mukesh Kumar and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Pissing is allowed, not kissing. Sorry, kissing is allowed, not pissing. Seems like Salvador de Mundo Panchayat is all confused with what is happening in their area. Banners were put up in the area stating kissing is banned in this Panchayat area at public places. Later, they were removed. We initiated ground zero inspection. Surprisingly, the boards reappeared, but this time it mentioned pissing in place of kissing. It's surprising. Acting Sarpanch claims though the order says by order Panchayat, it is not issued by them.
Have a look at this pic. Few days back, this banner was displayed at Salvador de Mundo Panchayat. It says kissing in public is strictly prohibited. This became a top news in most of the media organizations in and outside. Now the banner is changed. Now the kissing part is replaced with pissing. We met the acting Sarpanch of Salvador de Mundo. She seems not aware.
We are not in favor of any banner specifically pinpoint banning on kissing. Our villages were having problem with some people coming there drinking alcohol, playing loud music and causing disturbance to the local villagers. So on the complaint from the local villagers, we have resolved in our Panchayat Gram Sabha that we are going to send letters to the police to asking to take necessary steps, and other than this there was no other decision taken by the Panchayat to ban kissing as of what. File some complaint against to the police station asking them to find out who has displaced that banner, because even though it was written there by order village Panchayat, it was not the Panchayat.
The Panchayat will now file a complaint with police for such misguiding orders in the name of Panchayat. Our video journalist Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.